Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamara.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to track calls from the ads using call extensions or the call only ads. We are going to discuss both the options of this tracking call extensions or the call only ads. So let's get started. So now for creating conversion, you need to hover over goals and you have to click on summary. What are the conversion you have created inside your Google Ads? You'll find in this area. If you have not created any of the conversion, you will find it blank. And you have to click on new conversion action. And there you need to click on phone calls. And inside the phone calls, the first option we have to click is call from the ads using the extensions or call only ads. So I'm going to click on continue. So here I'm going to write down the name of the conversion. You can write anything just to represent your conversion name. I'm going to write down Rahul call extension conversion. So this will be my name as a conversion name, and then there's a set of values. One, use same value for each conversion. Don't use a value for conversion. Giving values to conversion helps you track your ad return or the return on ad spend. So if you are spending $100, if you are getting 10 clicks, so each click will be $10, then you will be on the equal side. That means you got 10 leads out of $100. So this way you can track. So that way I'm going to each call as $10 or 10 rupee. Next option we have is the count. When one guy click 100 times on that call or fill that form, we are going to count every time, or we want one guy to count for only one time, no matter how many times it filled the form or not, or click on that call or not. So I'm going to click one, that is highly recommended, and then the call length you can track is like 60 seconds. Whenever there is a 60-second call length, then Google is going to track this and count that as conversion. So you can even make it 30-second call as conversion. So it's all up to you. So generally 60-second, I'm adding a minimum value, so each call will be counted as conversion. There's a click-through window conversion. I'll make it 60 days. And there's an attribution model. You can choose the different attribution model. The best recommended is the data driven. So I'm going to click on create and continue. Now once that is done, click on done, and next step for you is to go to your campaign, select your campaign. Let's say I want goals 2, so I'll be selecting that campaign, and then you need to move on asset. Inside asset, click on assets, and there you need to click on plus create asset, and you have to click on call. And here you have to choose for the campaign or the ad group. So you can even target based on the ad group. If you have multiple ad groups, you can assign this extension, call extension, to only particular ad group, or you can even apply on based on the campaign label. So currently I'm going to choose campaign label, and my campaign name is goals 2, and then there's asset type. Then there's an asset and create new asset. There you need to choose your country. First I'm going to choose my country, that is India, and here I'm going to write down my number, that is 7858910056. So it will be plus 917858910056. Now you need to choose conversion action, and inside conversion action we have to choose what is the conversion we have created just now. We have to choose that conversion. And next option is call interaction bid adjustment. You can increase whenever this extension shows I want to increase a bid up to 20%. You can increase up to 30%, because if you want more calls, then you should increase the bid. And inside advanced option, there's option to choose the date you want to, or you can schedule to call extensions. And your ad extension is going to look like this inside a Google Ads. In the upper half section, you can assume your ad, and then in the last bottom section of your ads, you'll see this call extension. Once that is done, click on save. Now you have assigned this particular call extension to the campaign, this one. And now select your campaign. Let's say goal state, I create that one goal extension. So I'm going to select this and then I'm going to click more detail. You can also do targeting based on ad group. I said you already, so you'll select that and then you can do the setting for your ad group. So currently I'm going to do for the campaign, so I'll click on edit setting, and once you are inside your edit setting, click on the campaign goal, and here we have to use a campaign specific goal setting and choose your campaign goal. I want phone call leads from your ads, so I create this one and I'm gonna select that and click save, and here I'm going to click save. So first step, you should remember that first create your campaign goal, then create ad extension. If ad extension is already created, just assign it to the campaign, and next step we have to change the campaign goal to call from the extension. Now first part is over. Call from ads using call extensions or the call only ads. When you are creating call only ads, how to assign that? So I create an example for call only ads. I'm going to click on the campaigns and I'm going to select the call only ads campaign. If you have multiple ads group, you can target based on the ad groups also. So here you have option to select the ad group. I don't have multiple ad groups, so I'm targeting based on the campaign only. Once you are there inside the campaigns, you have to click on ads. Inside the campaign we have ads, and inside ads you have to click on this edit setting. If you don't know how to create call only ads, then you can watch my video which is there in the description box, or you can watch the playlist. You can scroll down and there's option for conversion action. You just need to click on that and choose your conversion action and click on save new versions. Only this much was there in the call tracking through call extensions or the call only ads. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.